New money make Jamaica in frenzy.
Good day, Jamaica. I'm here to mention something what I see going on right now. There are some new money coming, and I was telling them that the more the money go high, the more the country are gonna problem. Right now to what going, everybody has saved up the new money for. You don't know what only have saved new money to spend back. Cause when time them say them get all their old money. Okay, the money you never spend. You see new money never spend back so. But me understand now. This $2,000 and this new $50 and this new $5. It is really relevant? Nothing so. Because if you have 5,000, you have 1,000 already. Why you don't want different notes? And no man change. No man change. At 5,000, 500, 100, 200. It never make no sense. Mm-hmm. It never make no sense, brother. So all I want to talk about is 5,000 and more than 2,000, 2,000 more. Try good. You know, pay some blood, you know, tablets. You know, people know him. So, one thing why the man himself and know, so yo, prepare for your tsunami. Not talk about like water come. Everybody are going to have a problem, man. Over the 2,000 and more than thing, you know. Everybody. So me not get one, you know. Because me have to pay for it until my eye shut, you know. And then my youth must go pay for it save, you know. So check it now, people. Who we know what because the figures say the things I wanna win. The people that can't win never I will never win. Because the more the tax come up, and the more we get taxed, and the more we will get less. So you see everybody who feel like say when time they raise the pay what they gone, they never really raise the pay. They might take what no tax. 2,000 out there. Just remember one again people prepare for something we never expect to happen. Cause everything out there, but everyone is not listening at the time right now. Nobody has celebrated this new money. Yeah man, new money, that's I run thing right now, new money. So I'm beg on you, prepare for something we don't expect. Why? And we can say if you don't pay for learn now, and pay for learn later, I said it, but you pay for learn early, so nothing you know pay for it. You see it? Can't manage anything here. Cause when me check it out yesterday Father's Day and I don't see the sense why these people celebrate Father's Day. When I look, I don't see no woman that carry up any man on the street and say happy Father's Day. No, I'm not saying none of that. You know, come like a normal day, when we're Mother's Day, we all go there, go for them because we love our mother, you know. But you know, when it's about his Father's Day thing, because some of these people don't understand what's going on. So, me no want to brainwash him about my Father's Day because no matter how much millions I spend for you, you will never get the respect where you get it. See me? But you still have to do it because you have to live. And they have to live. I tell you, I beg you to just prepare yourself here. So, one nutshell, and I'm out. One uptown style. See, big up uptown because full day themselves yesterday. You got bad here, have a good day.